Hi. So there's some construction work going on on the terrace garden. So this is a small frame which we built so that we can grow creepers here. So creeper plants like vegetable creepers like snake gourd, bitter gourd, bottle gourd, bitter gourd, and so on. So for that creepers, and this is spiral staircase is now done. This is to go upstairs and have some plants there too, so that we can use that area too for the terrace garden. So this needs some paint work should be done for this still. So that's the one, but this frame is done now. So I've got a bit of harvest today, small mini harvest. So I've had some red amaranthus, green amaranthus, some Malabar spinach and some spinach. Yeah, so you can see here. So this is the Malabar spinach and some green and red amaranthus, and this is the spinach which we harvested. So there's still a lot of work going on here. So it is a bit of a jumble here. But yeah, this is a mini harvest, and so these are the pomegranate plants here. You can see the pomegranates. And I read somewhere that if the mulberry plant, the leaf should be taken out so that the mulberries can grow a bit faster. So we've removed some leaves from the tree. So hopefully they'll grow a bit faster now. And this custard apple plant, I don't know, it's not at all growing and it's yellowish. I don't know if we have to keep it or remove it. And this is a mango plant which we bought it on Amazon. According to the seller, it was mentioned that the mangoes will be coming all throughout the year. So hopefully we'll be planting it soon somewhere. And these are some chili plants, and that is again some pomegranate. You can see the bigger one here. Hopefully this time they'll get riper and maybe we can pluck them. This is a chiku. And you can see the ridge gourds here. Yesterday we plucked 3 or 4 of them, and now there are more of them here. You can see around 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, around 10 of them have grown here, and there are more coming up here. So this is the part of a terrace garden where work is going on. So you can see the sand here and the gravel. So there's some work going on inside the room for the flooring part. So this sand and the gravel is for the flooring part inside the room. This is the frame and the spiral staircase, and that is the railing upstairs. So maybe I can show you if I can go upstairs. Let me see if I can go upstairs and just show you a bit of it. This is the first time I'm going up. Hopefully I don't feel dizzy here. So this is the upstairs. Here also we'll be having some plants here. And that part is you'll be having a glass roof there. So it's more like a gazebo below. So this is like a gazebo below. And you can see the other part of the terrace where we have the cherry plant and star fruit plants. So this is the whole view from the top floor, from the top terrace. So the flooring for this is yet to be done. This is a neighboring plot. So they are also constructing a building after we've started. It's somewhat similar. So this is the terrace garden. So you can see the view from here. It's a beautiful view, and it's around 5 in the evening here, 4:35. So the glorious sun. So if you like the videos that I'm sharing and the content that I'm sharing, please like, subscribe, and do comment so that I can get your feedback on the channel. and the plants also. And the behind house also has a terrace garden, a small garden there, but this is what we are having, and we plan to have more of the plants here in this part and here too. So hopefully we'll do that soon. So thanks for watching my small video, and do subscribe and like and comment. Thank you.